You say that this campaign is about the people behind the process. So why is it so important for you to spotlight the human side of industry?
Yeah, so we just kind of touched on that, but even further, so meeting with our customers, right? There's a lot of manufacturers, whether it's a pump, seal, motor, valve, compressor, sensors, you name it, right? But where are all these products going? Where is all this equipment going? So getting that like next step of that and being able to go into the end users, into the plants that and the processes are being made. Now, that piece is I had a little conversation kind of when all this was developing with a marketer, and he said, it's just a little bit harder to get into these places. And not everybody does that work. And it just made me think, well, I want to do that work because it's important work. And I want to get in there. I want to see it. I want to understand the process. I want to know where our pumps and equipment are going. And tell people what amazing opportunities there are out there. So whether they're manufacturing, anything. I mean, honestly, I'm just thinking about anything, whether manufacturing energy or water, the things that are vital to life, our food, or maybe it's like we're going into some really, I guess the things you don't even think about, right? The wine factories, the things that, people take what's the word? I'm not
Advantage of?
yeah, well, just they forget, like
Mhm.
they forget that there is some type of equipment that's making all this possible. And I don't even know what these are. I don't even know what the application is that's gonna like wow me. But being able to walk through a refinery, a water treatment plant, a power plant, and think, okay, well, this is how we actually survive. And then think about things that are made like I always say this, the strawberries and yogurt. How do they get in there? Those processes are just amazing to me, and we take them for granted. That's the thing. The people behind that, putting in the work every day so that we can have comfort. The air conditioning. I mean, I'm sitting here thinking about this for July because it is so hot. But every aspect of this trip that I'm going on tomorrow, from the time I wake up to the time I go to sleep, would not be possible without the people behind the process of making equipment and supplying it to everyone. So